Hi juniors, Mrs. Reinhardt here, wanting to talk to you a little bit about scheduling for your senior year. Super exciting and right around the corner, and we'll be here before you know it. So the documents that your advisor handed out to you, I want to quickly go over before Mrs. Myers and Mrs. Valle talk to you about scheduling. So in this senior planning guide, you should have two inserts. One's a pink page, and this is where you're going to actually schedule your classes and write down, make your selections, have your teachers sign next to your core classes over here. And then you have the senior electives guide. These are also broken down into departments. So if you have questions, make sure that you ask your teachers or your counselor to help you pick electives that you're interested in and that you want to take. Additionally, your senior year, you have a couple other options. So one is going to be attending the Greater Lafayette Career Academy. These applications are available in the guidance office on Mr. Donaldson's desk, so please stop by and get one if you're interested. There's plenty of great programs, and when your counselor talks to you individually, they'll be able to talk a little bit more with you specifically about what your current career interests are and how participating in these programs may align with them, in addition to providing you another way to graduate. Also, your senior year, you have the option of participating in work-based learning. Work-based learning is a great opportunity for students that are interested in having a job and maybe working during the day, during the school day, or part of the school day. There's two options for work-based learning. One is through the Career Academy, in which, again, you would need to complete an application and fill it out. Another one is through Jeff High School. So again, go back to your planning notes to be sure to look at the differences between the two programs so you can decide which is going to be the best for you. Then lastly, on this pink page, go ahead and cross out where it says the form is due to your English teacher by February 5th. That's actually not true for you guys because your counselors are going to meet with you individually. So starting today, you're going to go around, get your teacher signatures for your classes, and then when your counselor sends a pass for you, make sure that you bring all your scheduling documents with you to the guidance office so you can have a meeting with your counselor and we can get all your classes selected for your senior year. We're looking forward to seeing you guys and talking with you guys one-on-one, and I hope you have a great day.
Hi, future seniors! Hi, we hope you're doing well. My name is Miss Myers. I'm one of the school counselors.
This is Mrs. Valle.
And we are so excited for you guys as you would venture off into your senior schedule. So today we're going to talk a little bit about that. We're going to talk about your needs for classes and for graduation requirements. Are you ready? All right, let's flip it. I'm going to show you the scheduling paper. This is something that you should have right in front of you. The first thing you need to do is to print your name neatly, first and last, and then write down your counselor's name in that red line. If you don't know your counselor, then look in your schedule in PowerSchool. It will list who your counselor is. And finally, list your career interests, what you plan to do after high school. That will help us just think about different classes that you might not have thought about. Then circle your diploma type, whether that's Core 40 with academic honors, or Core 40 with technical honors. Next, I want to talk to you a little bit about your core classes and your levels. For basically whatever you were in your junior year level, you will take the senior year level of that unless you get a teacher signature asking you maybe to move up, or if you're just too overwhelmed and need to move down. And you can have that conversation with your counselor. Seniors will be meeting with their counselors personally, so we just need you to fill this out so our meetings are efficient and effective and quick, okay? So for English levels, English Language and Composition AP is the most rigorous course we offer. It is college level. If you're interested in that and if you're receiving A's right now in your CP level classes, then you would circle that if you're interested, okay? Then is the English 12 Exploration Academic and English 12 Communications. These are in columns by semester. Followed by that is the Composition and English Lit or World Lit. So English Lit is like British literature, like Shakespeare, and world literature is more stories comprised from all over the world. So you kind of choose what you would like to learn about. After that comes math. Math really depends on what your career choice is, what your interest is, and what class you're in right now. So if you're in geometry CP, then you could take pre-cal CP. If you're in algebra 2 CP and have taken geometry CP, you could take that pre-cal CP. If you've taken pre-cal CP, you could take calculus, AP, or dual credit. You could also take finite. Finite is that overarching math course. So if you are a student, let's say, who have taken your algebra 1, 2, and geometry, and you want to take a little more math because you're going to a four-year college, but you don't want to take calculus, finite might be a really nice option for you to take. Talk to your counselors about any math levels that you have. Also, if you're in the integrated math pathway, then you would just do, if you're in integrated 2, you move on to integrated 3. For science, you need 6 credits of science your whole year of high school. So you have to take biology, you have to take chemistry or physics or integrated chemistry and physics. Those are required. And then any other core 40 science would be something like earth science, genetics, zoology. All of those are other core 40 sciences that can meet that requirement. If you've taken your 6 credits of science, then you would choose another elective. For social studies, all seniors need government and econ. If you take a morning class, which some kids really enjoy, then that means you're here every day at 6:55, but you would get a release. And that is required, that government econ is required for your diploma. Ms. Valle is going to take it away with talking to you about electives, and she's going to show you first the elective sheet.
Hey guys, so this is an elective sheet you should have received with your package, with your scheduling form. Make sure that you look through the options. They are divided by department. Also make sure that you have met some prerequisites. For example, 2D or advanced 2D are the first are options. They are prerequisites for taking photo or drawing, so make sure that you have met those requirements before you take any advanced classes. If you are thinking about the GACA, the Great Lafayette Academy, you want to make sure that you complete an application for that. That takes 4 spots from your schedule, so you want to make sure that you counted that 4. If we look back at your scheduling sheet, we want to make sure that you complete the last 4 boxes. Since the GLCA is by application only, we cannot guarantee a spot right away. So what we like for you to do is to choose 4 different electives or 3 electives in a study hall, and add the GLCA class that you would like to take on the alternate, and complete the application. Once the application is submitted, and if we can get you a spot, you will be notified by your counselor later on, and your schedule will be changed. But please do select 3 different electives in boxes 5, 6, and 7 that we will gives us an option to schedule you in classes just in case we cannot get you into the GLCA class that you choose. Also, if, for example, you choose to take photo, but unfortunately was too full and we weren't able to get you in the class, we would like for you to add alternates right in the boxes below the number 8, just for us to have some options to add you in. Ms. Myers did mention that econ and government are required, and those both are offered in the summer. So if you choose to do econ and government in the summer, you can add them below where it says maximum of 2 summer school classes. You can definitely do that for next year and before going into your senior year. Do make sure that you write them in, but that does not get that this does not. This does not add you to the summer school classes. You will still have to complete an enrollment to join the summer school classes sometime next semester.
Other things you should probably know is that Mrs. Reinhardt will be emailing you your transcript so you can look at what classes that you have passed, what classes you might need to retake, and what classes you need for graduation requirements. And we will be meeting with you personally, so it's just really important that you fill out the sheet completely. That way so our meetings are well done and done efficiently, and that we can meet your needs. We hope you have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Bye. Have a good day.